So what we're doing today, it's during COVID-19, so I have my mask on. We're at a customer's house. Got my gloves, eye protection because I can't see without my glasses. We're changing this deadbolt. It's not working properly, so we're going to install a new deadbolt. The new Kwikset SmartCode 888 is a Z-Wave compatible, and it's compatible with the Qolsys IQ Panel, which is what we use for our alarm customers. So that's what we're going to do. So first thing I'm going to do is pull this old one off, and then we'll install the new one. And just a quick reminder, hit the subscribe button at the bottom if you like this video. Okay, so let's get working on this. So I got completely disconnected. Get one of these boxes. I like to put everything out that you have so it's all ready to go as you install. First thing you do is install the hammer. Now if you notice on this hammer, there's two different directions. You always want to have this side up, just like it says. Now every deadbolt door width is different. So if I were to put it in like this, it's not going to fit, right? So the deadbolt's sticking out. So we got to pull this out again. What you do is all of them will twist like that. So it'll fit the smaller hole and the distance in between on the door here. Always mount this where it says up. Put that right in. And this thing that looks like a D, it's kind of a sideways D, that needs to be in the center of your door. So now I'm going to just put these two side screws in right here. So lock in the hammer. There we go. So we're good there. And the next thing, we're going to put this part. This is the actual keyhole and the combo that you could put in. So all we're going to do on the outside of the door, put this little electrical or power supply goes underneath, and then just line this up. This little thing looks kind of like a D. It slips right into the middle of that hole. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then it just slides in, just like that. And you want to line it up, keep it straight. It will eventually move as you're connecting everything, but it's not that hard to fix. Then this is the actual door plate on the inside. Goes right through the center here. Just like that. And this little groove at the bottom is where that little wire goes. So it'll slide all the way through. And then these are the screws that go straight through the middle. And they connect to the outside of the lock. I know it's pretty hard to see in here. Hopefully you could see this. Let me get my screwdriver. And so you never really want to crank these down super tight, but so most of the time I just use a hand screwdriver. Obviously you could use a power screwdriver. I like to use the hand one because I like to, of course you're going to tighten it once you get going. So now you want to make sure this looks straight. Look on this side. Make sure the outside lock looks straight. There we go. And we're looking good. Now, as you install your deadbolt, you want the hammer out, as in the lock position. Now, I'm going to just tighten it up a little bit more because we're done with this portion. Alright, that's that. This is the back part. So now what we're going to do, this is where your batteries go, and this is where the inside goes.
Clear device. Hold A.
Which is the top button.
Okay, add device. Include. Hold A again. Discover device, door lock. Be patient and wait. You have to Z-wave in to the panel within 5 feet. Once you reconnect the door lock to the door, you'll do a Rediscovery Network. That's it.
So now that we've got the lock Z-waved into the panel, we're going to just follow these steps again. We're going to plug everything back in like it was. Tuck this wire. There's a little cup right here, a little hole. You could tuck it in like that. And be careful because you don't want to pinch that wire. Go in just like that.